If someone watching the screen in the security, then red light blinking in the camera. You can see that. If you are the imposter, then you don't kill that time. When game starts, there will be the animation in the startings. Click on that animation and save 2-3 seconds of your game. And take the position before the others. So many times facing the card swapping problem. Sometimes it goes fast or sometimes it goes slow. There will be the one trick to solve this problem. You can fast swap 2-3 times left to the right and it's complete. Admin map is so helpful for finding the imposter. You can see all the position of all the players. From storage, there will be the left side on the 3 members and right side on the 2 members. Focus on the med bay, there will be the 2 members. One is directly jump to the security, that is the imposter. Go to the cafeteria and call the emergency meetings and vote the imposter and win the match. Imposter never do the real task. They act like you are doing the real task. If you are the imposter and you want to kill the enemy, there will be not compulsory you go close to the enemy. You can easily kill from a distance when the red light around the enemy. Imposter have a special map, that is sabotage map. By using this sabotage map, they can close any door. By using this, they close the med bay door and easily kill the enemy. If you are the imposter, then target one person and tell all the members to vote for them. Then you can easily win the match. If you are the imposter, then first by using the sabotage map, close the door of a security. Through the vent, go to the security and kill the enemy. Because in the enemy in the security watching the who is the imposter. Imposter by using the sabotage maps, the reactor, O2 and electrical and communications. By clicking on these icons, they give the emergency task to the crew members. If the crew members are not complete that task, then directly imposter win the match. For the imposter, kill 2 enemies together. If 2 enemies are doing the same task, then kill the first enemy, then immediately kill the second enemy before completing his task. Before completing his task, they can't report it. Best trick for finding the crewmates and the imposter. If someone doing the task in the weapon, then in the left side corner there will be the task bar. If the task bar is increased, means there is a crewmate, otherwise it is imposter. If someone doing the task in med bay, by seeing this animation, you can easily trust it is a crewmate. If you like the video, then press the like button and subscribe the channel for the 1000 likes. Hope you guys do it.